In this video, we are going to test your skills on multiplying numbers by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Like any other lessons, IVFC prepared different levels of mastery. Watch out for the next higher level. Bring out a piece of paper, label them 1 to 25, where you will write your answers. Always take note of your score. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Number 2. $2,440. Number 3. $34,500. Number 4. $34,520. Number 5. $32,200. Number 6. $103,200. Number 7. $33,200. Number 8. $55,400. Number 9. $5,240. Number 10. $5,245. Number 11. $524 and 500. Number 12. $61 and 500. Number 13. $6 and 105,000. Number 14. $7 and 6,105 10,000. Number 15. 1 and 5,891 hundred thousandths. Number 16. 5 and 58,191 hundred thousandths. Number 17. 545 and 891 thousandths. Number 18. 545,849. Number 19. 5,458,400. Number 20. 13,400 and 5/10. Number 21. 5,358,900. Number 22. 6,728,020. Number 23. 3,528,250. Number 24. 36,328,500. Number 25. 853 and 78 hundredths. Congratulations, this ends our session for today. Kindly write your score on top of your answer sheet. See you on the next level. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.